Okay, Squeaks. Got the candy ready for the trick-or-treaters tonight? We got the candy set? We got the terrifying albums to play just in case if anything goes screwy? Well, how about all the horror films that we could watch on television? And let's not forget the decorations. Got that one covered? Hey, that's no problem, Squeaks. We'll get the decorations next year. How's that sound? That's the spirit, Doc. Well, this is my cue. Wish me luck, little Squeaks.
Trick or treat, Mr. Bunny.
What's up, Doc? Say, what lovely costumes you got on tonight. Especially you, Wonder Woman.
Why, thank you, Bugs.
Well, you're welcome. Okay, who's ready for candy? I know everybody's going crazy over candy. Now please do not shout. There's plenty for all. I repeat, no need to shout. There's plenty for all. Everybody gets some. Well, have a safe night.
You got it, boy.
Well, see you later.
Later, Bugs.
Well, seeing as how I'll be waiting for more trick-or-treaters to arrive, why don't I just relax and treat myself to some late-night horror films on TV? I guess that ought to kill time. And you know, I really am that glad I'm not that young anymore. Otherwise, I would have been scared out of my wits.
Not scared, eh? So, wait, why am I sent here again? I sent you here because I know that you can scare the daylights out of anybody. And your mission is to scare one particular creature on the face of Earth. And that particular creature is known to be a cute, fuzzy little green rabbit. Well, guess it couldn't hurt. Of course it wouldn't hurt, sister! We all believe in you, Silver Banshee. All right, Female Furies. That'll do. Our new recruit must be going now.
Oh, just a second, Doc. I'll get the candy out as soon as possible. You know, it was a good thing that it wasn't real. It was just a figment of my imagination. Yeah, that's it. I don't think I'll ever mix radish juice and carrot juice the same way again. Uh-oh. Better think fast, Rabbit. What? What's up? It's the perfect crime. Hey, this is private, lady. Alright, young lady, come on now. You're gonna be late for the party. Here, I got your suitcases for you. Alright, hurry up, all aboard, we haven't got all day. Put your back in it, sister, come on, we haven't got all day. Let's go, huh? I'll bet you wouldn't want to miss your trip to the Halloween party, won't you, folks? I'm just as confused as you are. I wonder where that train's taking her anyway.
Gruesome, isn't it, folks?
And so, having disposed of the Banshee, exit our hero back to his rabbit hole, stage left. Oops! No, wait a minute, Tarantula! Did you ever have the feeling you was being watched? Look, outside the computer screen.
YouTubers!
And so, having redisposed of the Banshee, exit our hero back to his rabbit hole, stage left. Must have been a nightmare. Yeah, that's silly. We all know that monstrosities don't exist. Or do they?